A green card is the government document you receive after you become a lawful permanent resident of the United States. It is referred to as a green card because when the U.S. government first created it in the 1940s, it was green. Since then, the color has changed multiple times, though it is still referred to as a green card. Having a green card means you have the right to permanently live and work in the United States. Once you have received the green card and become a permanent resident of the United States, your status will never expire. Green cards are typically valid for 10 years and should be renewed prior to expiration for proof of valid status. But even if your green card expires, you still remain a legal permanent resident. If you are applying for your green card from outside the United States, the word visa refers to the physical immigrant visa you received to enter the country. If you're already in the country, you must wait until a visa number is available before you are eligible to apply for a green card. The visa or visa number is what you need in order to move on to the next step of submitting your application for a green card. The application process can be broken into two steps. First, your relative submits a visa petition that establishes that you are a qualifying relative, and then you apply for a green card when a visa number becomes available. First, your U.S. citizen or permanent resident relative submits a visa petition, which is Form I-130, on your behalf to the USCIS for approval. The visa petition establishes your eligibility to apply for a green card. Once the I-130 petition is approved, the U.S. State Department will tell you when an immigrant visa or visa number is available for you. After your visa is available, the second step is that you, the immigrant, submit your application for a green card and go through processing either at a U.S. consulate overseas or at a USCIS office inside the United States. You should know that it's possible for these two steps to take between a few months and many years, depending on your situation. Assuming that you have an approved immigrant petition, your priority date is current, and you are not inadmissible, you are ready to move on to the green card application. Next, you'll submit your application and supporting documents to the USCIS office with jurisdiction over your place of residence. After you file your application, you will receive a receipt notice from USCIS. After you receive the receipt notice, you will receive a notice scheduling you to appear at a local application support center to have your fingerprints and photo taken. After that, you will wait for USCIS to continue processing your application. Ultimately, you will receive an approval, a denial, or an interview notice. Applicants who are clearly eligible on the basis of the documents submitted with their applications may receive an outright approval without being required to attend an interview. It is important to be certain of your eligibility before filing the application, as a denial will most likely be followed by deportation proceedings. Some applicants will be scheduled to interview with a USCIS officer. If everything is in order, you'll be approved. Your green card should arrive via U.S. mail within a few months. You can find out more information by visiting immigrationdirect.com.